Welcome to Module 6 of the NIMS Training Tracker video series. This time we'll show how coordinators can use the program to assemble and summarize verified transcript data for report documentation, and how they can evaluate scheduled classes for local events versus sending students to other training venues. We will see how it can be used for locally delivered exercises, tabletop events, and drills as a pre-event registration utility. The NIMS Training Tracker program serves as a data management system continuously updated by students and faculty to maintain preparedness and capabilities records. This system of accomplished training and also planned training events allows coordinators to make timely reports about current preparedness levels. Coordinators can pull transcript information into up-to-date reports for obtaining grants, providing compliance reports, or sharing them with stakeholders. Using similar tactics, coordinators can assemble learning plans into summaries, showing how many people are scheduled for specific classes, including a formal RSVP list for locally delivered training, drills, and tabletop exercises. Finally, we will explore a few strategies while navigating the site to speed your search for information. One of the strongest tools of the NIMS Training Tracker program is its ability to assemble training credentials for jurisdiction people with only a few keystrokes and clicks of the mouse. We will look at how the program assembles CSV files for coordinators as requested. A comma-separated values, or CSV, file is readable by any spreadsheet, database, or word processor program. In our example, we'll use Microsoft Excel 2010. We will join coordinator Lily Niemi as she enters the program to assemble the team's transcripts and planned courses list. As Lily enters the site, she opens the Transcripts menu. As always, she is first given display of her personal transcript. Above her list of completed courses, there is a hyperlink, Download Transcript. This link is seen by all users for each person's transcript. When clicked, it downloads a CSV file for the named student to the local machine. Since Lily is a coordinator, a second hyperlink appears next to the View Transcript button, Download All User Transcripts. This hyperlink will pull a CSV file to the coordinator's personal device, where an additional view can be taken. When Lily clicks on the link, the program responds by asking about the location where she wants the file saved. By default, it is named Organization Transcripts, with the date and the file type CSV. When Save is clicked, the file is placed on Lily's computer. Next, she moves to the Learning Plan menu, where she sees a hyperlink named Download Pending Classes. Clicking on this hyperlink sends a request to assemble a CSV file named Courses Not Attended with a date. Lily selects the location for the file and clicks Save to pull the file to her local machine. With these files saved locally, she can click on the download list to open the file, starting with the transcript records. Opening the CSV file on her machine automatically opens the file in Excel. By clicking the Select All button and double-clicking between the two cells along the upper column, the Resize To Fit All command makes all text fit for viewing ease. By navigating to the View tab and selecting the Freeze Panes button, with the Freeze Top Row option, the headers will remain fixed. Lily navigates to the Home tab and selects the Sort and Filter button with the Custom Sort option. She sorts first by provider, clicks Add Level, and then by course, clicks OK, and the data are sorted as requested. In this view, she can see commonly repeated courses by different students, and several courses completed only by 1 or 2 students. In order for the coordinator to get a summary of transcript records, she can select the provider, course, and title columns from the sheet, copy them, and open a new sheet on the same workbook where she can paste them. She repeats the steps to select all, auto-fit to contents, and freezes the top row. Next, she moves to the Data tab and clicks on the Remove Duplicates button. She unselects the provider and title checkboxes and clicks the OK button. A summary report tells her how many records were removed and how many remain. The remaining records are all unique transcript records. Lily prepares a count of how many people have completed each class. In the D column, she enters the COUNTIF command. It starts with the identification of the range of cells where the data are located and puts it in reference to the comparison cell on the current page. She locks the address to the destination cells with $signs in the references, making it $C, $1 to $C, $157. This way, when she copies the cell down the column, the program will count how many students have taken each class. Lily sees that 15 people have taken each IS 100, 200, and 700 awareness level NIMS. This is a summary she can use for compliance reporting, grant preparations, and to share with stakeholders at any level. Returning to the NIMS Training Tracker program, Lily opens the second downloaded file, Courses Not Attended. She follows the same process used with the first file to select all, auto-fit to contents, and freeze the top row. Again, she selects several columns of data, copies them, opens a new sheet, and pastes the data. She follows the process to select all, auto-fit to contents, and freeze the top row. Next, she moves to the Data tab and clicks on the Remove Duplicates button for the course column. She reviews the report and then enters a D column for count. Again, she uses the COUNTIF command to count the number of students assigned to each class, making sure to lock the cell references with $signs, and copies the first cell down the column. Several classes have only 1 or a few students scheduled for attendance, but others have over 10 students. These are the classes that she might consider to be presented by an instructor to the group, an idea possibly more sensible than sending students away for the training. At the bottom of this list, Lily locates her locally planned tabletop exercise and sees that 14 students are currently signed up for the event. She treats this as an RSVP confirmation for planning purposes. By stepping back to the main sheet, she can see the names of the people registered for the exercise. The NIMS Training Tracker program holds about 1,000 courses in 4 databases, and more are frequently added. While scrolling down the pull-down menus, searching for specific classes, students are sometimes unable to find the class they are looking for. If a student knows the course number, like B132, finding it on the courses menu is quick. But if they want to find a class on Search and Rescue without knowing the course number, it can take time. We will again join our coordinator Lily as she enters the courses page as seen by faculty. The program by default opens NIMS courses where over 800 are listed. She scrolls down the list, but does not quickly see the one she's looking for. She's using the Chrome browser on a Windows 7 desktop computer and can use the Windows flag key and F for Find to make a search for text on the current page. When she does this, a small window opens in the upper right corner of the screen, prompting her to enter the text she's searching for. She enters Search and Rescue, and the program responds. There is one entry on the page matching the criteria, taking her there to show tan-colored highlighting, and to find the course as G659 in the NIMS database. Lily changes her search criteria to exercise design and finds 9 matches on this page. The program takes her to the first instance of the chosen criteria with tan-colored highlighting for the first and yellow for the others. She clicks on the down-pointing chevron to jump to the next instance of the match until she finds the course that matches the criteria she's looking for. With that, she has the course number to add to the learning plan. All Internet browsers come with a Find command, although the location of the screen is different than we see in Chrome. Internet Explorer displays it in the upper left corner, while Mozilla Firefox in the lower left edge of the browser. They all perform the same search function. In this video, we looked at how data are assembled on the coordinator's computer to review, analyze, and document training credentials from transcripts, and also how to collect the status of learning plan information for a jurisdiction. The CSV file downloaded by the coordinator can be opened with any spreadsheet or database program, and it is current to the date of its download. A few techniques were demonstrated in Excel to sort and assemble data commonly used for reports and also for date-verified documentation purposes.